Myself, in the presence of God and these witnesses, do you promise that you will never enter into a relationship or mutual understanding with the opposite sex or same sex before college graduation?
Yes, I do.
Myself, in the presence of God and these witnesses, do you promise that you never will entertain non-born-again Christian suitor after college graduation in accordance with the biblical teaching?
I do.
Myself, in the presence of God and these witnesses, do you promise to keep your body and thoughts pure and to abstain from any kind of sexual activity before marriage?
I do.
Please kneel down.
In the presence of God and these people, I take this ring as a symbol of my commitment and pledge to myself, my family, and my favor that I will abstain from sexual activity of any kind before marriage. I will keep myself and my thoughts pure as I trust God's perfect plan for my life. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.